I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Active Directory users and computers and sign in with an admin or delegated account. This gives you immediate ability to create and edit objects. Once connected, navigate to the specific domain and OU where the account belongs so changes are scoped correctly. Make sure Advanced Features is enabled when you need to edit attributes. Now, right-click the target OU and choose New Then User to start the first creation step. This avoids global clutter and places the object where it belongs. You fill in the new user's display name and logon name because exact spellings control UPN and SAM account name resolution. Once done, set a secure initial password and decide if the user must change it at next logon. For service accounts, uncheck that and tick password never expires. Next, add the account to appropriate groups to grant permissions. Make sure profile path, home folder, and logon script are set only when needed. Finally, review member of and check delegation carefully before finishing. You verify the user by refreshing a duck and, if needed, using repadmin or dsquery to confirm replication to other domain controllers. Once confirmed, delegate least privilege control for routine tasks instead of assigning domain admin rights. This reduces risk while keeping administration local. If the user cannot sign in, reset the password, ensure the account is not disabled, and check Kerberos and security event logs for authentication errors. If replication lag is suspected, force replication and recheck visibility across sites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.